If your photos aren't uploading to iCloud, you risk losing them. Our video provides 7 solutions to ensure your photos are securely backed up to iCloud. Part 1. Why won't my photos upload to iCloud? Poor network. Need stable connection. Server issues. Block uploads. Bugs. Disrupt iCloud. Low storage. 5 GB, 1000 photos or day limit. Corrupted files. Won't upload. Part 2. Fix photos not uploading to iCloud in 7 ways. Way 1. Restart your iPhone or iPad. Way 2. Check your internet connection. Way 3. Maintain enough battery level. Way 4. Update your iOS version. Way 5. Check iCloud account. Way 6. Ensure enough iCloud storage. Way 7. Upload photos from iPhone or iPad or iPod via iCloud. Alternative. Besides iCloud, you can back up and restore iPhone photos using other methods. Mobikin Assistant for iOS is a reliable alternative that lets you easily transfer photos from your iPhone, iPad, or iPod to your PC or Mac. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your PC. Step 2. Select photos. Step 3. Transfer photos to a computer.